Hey there, I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. This is actually part one of a multi-part series on converting our closet using the IKEA Pax system. Let's dive in. First, we start with a demo. I also had to trim 1 inch off the side shelving we'll still be using with the grinder. A lot quicker than a hacksaw. These are going to be built in, so I remove the baseboards. And if you do, don't forget to pull the nails. Step 1, gather all your pieces parts. And be very careful. This box looks like it's packing material, but it's your hardware. Don't throw it away. Now first what you want to do is you want to attach your angle iron or your L bracket to the top back of both sides. You can tell this is the back side because it has the dado cut out of it. Now these are called cams, and these are what I like to call cam bolts. As you turn the cam, it tightens up and pulls that board towards the cam and locks it together. So screw in all those cam bolts as shown. The directions are real confusing on this one. I realize we're going through these very quickly, so be sure to use rewind or pause. If you want to see if you have the cam bolts in the right position, you can see where the cams are going to line up. Next, smack the leveler into position. That goes on the side opposite the cam side. That's your bottom shelf. Now put your feet on your leveler and they'll snap in position. And thread them in. Then insert the dowels in the cams. Make sure you have the mouth of the cam facing the edge of the board. Also, don't put the cams in backwards. They're real hard to get out. Make sure you have the plus sign facing out. Now insert 2 dowels on each end of the toe kick. Now insert the back toe kick and the front toe kick into the sideboards. And turn the cam to lock it in position. Join the sideboards to the bottom shelf. And do the same thing with the other side. Now you've got the box complete. Bonus tip. Use a couple sticks to hold the back up while you tack it in place. Now comes the fun part. We're going to pull it away from the wall and lift it into place at the same time while twisting it. They really are pretty light at this point. That looks good. Now adjust the leveler so it leans towards the wall. Insert the plugs to cover the screw holes and snap on the L bracket covers. And we'll finish it up by tying it to the wall. That's how to assemble the Pax closet cabinet. To see the next video on the rest of the closet makeover, click the image on your screen now.